Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Jena Mutakin. Uh, I am from class IT 24C. Tonight, tonight I will present an innovative product idea called Ecosif Smart Resourceably Battery. Uh, so, Ecosystem revolutions ideally for eco-conscious user. In combination sustainability, smart data, and competitive battery will change daily habits for a great planet. Next, the problem single-use plastic. One, young first, young first, millions of bottles. Over 1 million plastic bottles are used every minute worldwide, creating immense waste. Uh, seconds slow slow decomposition. Plastic bottles take over per hundred 15 years to decompose, harming ecosystem for centuries. I am three low risk leasing letters. Only 9% of plastic is recycled globally, leading to significant landfill accumulation. Next, uh, eco eco-friendly next skin design. Eco bottles are crafted from high-grade stainless steel or 100% skin reject material. Um, they are completely free, encouraging no harmful chemical let into your drink or durably controlling great long-term use reducing waste. Uh, K-Fury. K-Fury. Keep a drink cold for 24 hours and for hot for for 12 hours. Spill rescue or rig for this can with cooled spills or rig for this skin will flip to our squid of optimism. Confident the skin and skull as slings was strong and is the current handling for vertebrae generality capacities available in various sizes from 16 to 60 or to 13 13 out for all nets. And next, smart hybrid technology, integrated sensor and embedded sensor track water intake. It reminds you to hydrate the crowd today. Stay on top of your health goals. Effortless Bluetooth, Bluetooth of science. Sensor with our app Bluetooth monitor hybrid goal and view analysis. Gain insight into your drink habits. A real-time reminder LED of indicator gives a real-time reminder visual code you never forget to drink effortless taking. For a personality goals, set personality hybrid goals the AVP adaptation to your lifestyle as optimal daily water intake. Data analysis review the telegraph or your intake. Next, environmental impact. Uh, 115 first plastic bottle is safe. It can also save up to 115 plastic bottle annual reductively wasted. 18% carbon footprint reduction. Um, Reduce carbon footprint by up to 18% compared to single-use plastic. Hmm. 100% recycling materials. Egg bottling refill from recycling material, supporting a careful economy. Next, um, enhance us enhanced answer experiments. Echoes gives like modern scans smartly fit into an live daily world, exam or telephony, and it is regular and fitting into must come the hardest. Community to your health, materials are very completely and safe. Next, uh, mm, exclusive, exclusive. It's not just a battle, but a moment toward a sustainable future. Let's change small habits for a greener planet. Uh, Again, thank you. Thank you for your attention and goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye.